I, Prajin Lavade, a student of Law Department, final year, and the convener of Moot Court Committee, welcome our chief guest, Advocate Purnima Awasthi Ma'am, Honorable Registrar Dr. R.P. Sharma Sir, Head of Department Dr. H.O.D. S.P. Mishra Sir, and Law Faculty Dr. Agni Mistry and Piyush Maheshwari Ma'am, and all the participants to the inaugural session of our Moot Court competition. To commence this auspicious event, we are absolutely honored to invite our distinguished guests to kindle the flame of enlightenment and officially inaugurate our event. Thank you, sir. Now I would like to request Honorable Registrar R.P. Sharma Sir to present the bouquet as a token of appreciation to Ma'am.
Organized by Department of Law at Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj University. I am honored to stand before you and extend my heartfelt gratitude to everyone. First and foremost, I would like to extend my gratitude to our Chairman Sir, Dr. Keshav Baraya, Vice Chancellor Sir, Professor Kesari Lal Verma Sir, and Registrar Sir, Dr. R.P. Sharma Sir, for their unwavering support and for providing us with the platform to organize such a prestigious event. Their vision and leadership have played a pivotal role in shaping the academic landscape of our university. I would like to express our sincere thanks to our esteemed judge for the preliminary round, Advocate Purnima Awasthi Ma'am, who have accepted our invitation in a short span of time from their busy schedule. Thank you so much, ma'am, for coming. Her remarkable contribution to the legal profession and her unwavering commitment to women's rights have set a benchmark for all of us. We are truly privileged to have her with us today, and we look forward to her invaluable insight and guidance. Today marks a significant occasion as we gather to celebrate the spirit of legal inquiry and the pursuit of excellence in the field of law. Moot Court competition are an integral part of legal education. They provide a platform to students to engage in rigorous analysis, sharpen their advocacy skill, and develop a deep understanding of a legal principle. This competition is not just about winning and losing, it is about the journey of learning, the thrill of argumentation, and the commandeer that develops among participants. Now, first of all, once again I would like to welcome Advocate Purnima Ma'am, and I just want that ma'am, if you can say a few words before we start the session. Please, ma'am.
Colleagues, university and honored guests, it's my privilege to welcome you all to this Moot Court competition, where we gather to engage in rigorous and enlightening practice to legal argumentation and advocacy. The case before us today is State versus Rai, presents a complex and multifaceted legal challenge involving critical issues of defamation, hate speech, and boundaries of freedom of speech in a democratic society. This moot problem is not merely an academic exercise, but a reflection of the real-world legal dilemmas that test our legal system's principles and values. And let me tell all the participants, it's a platform to explore yourself. You should not hesitate at all. You should do your best. I wish, and you need not hesitate, even if you feel barrier of language anytime, you can speak in your language also at times. I am there to welcome you. I am here to assist you, and I want you to learn. So I would not mind. So please, without much ado, let us commence the proceedings. May the best arguments prevail, and may each of you leave here today with a richer appreciation for the noble profession we all are part of. आप लोग जरा भी संकोच न करिएगा, खुल के आप लोग आर्गुमेंट करिएगा. अपना बेस्ट, वी ट्राई टू गिव योर बेस्ट.
I would like to request our registrar sir to please open this session, moot court session. And ma'am, one more thing I just wanted to tell you. Our registrar sir and our head Department of Law, S.P. Mishra sir, they are the pillars of our department. They always encourage us. Without them, our students, our faculty members were incomplete. They are the support and they are the backbone of our university. So I would like to request Registrar Sir to please open this session.
Moot court session open. And good luck for all participants.
Thank you so much. Before going further, just a little brief of the today's program, which is given by the Anushka, our BA LLB student.
Good morning everyone. I am Anushka More, pursuing BA LLB in third year and member of the moot court committee, would now brief you on this competition. This is the first inter-college moot court competition conducted by the moot court committee of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj University's Law Department. The said competition would be in 2 rounds. First, that is the inaugural and preliminary round on 25th of May, which is today. In this round, 16 teams of our law department would compete against each other, out of which best students would qualify for the next and final round. The second and final round would be on 1st June with valedictory function. In this round, qualified teams of our university would compete against teams of different colleges, out of which there will emerge a winning team, runner-up team, the best speaker, best researcher and best memorial.